night. Yeah. You know it's all your fault. No, I don't want to say no. You're broken down the door. Don't let me go, no. I just wanna hold you. I need no control, no. Would you let me love you? Me love you, it's all over. I lost my composure. I got love to show you. Would you let me love you? Me love you, baby. I got nothing to unwind.
Today is our last day at the Airbnb. I quite frankly cannot handle this mess. Not the way I roll, and like I said, you're gonna hear me 1,000 times if the Airbnb, the hotel, the room, whatever is a mess. I'm not okay. But regardless, we are out of here because we have to go to Greece. I'm putting on my bathing suit because we're probably going to the beach and we're gonna probably eat, and I'm gonna finish getting ready and I'll catch up with you guys later. Andre decided to show up, and then he asked me if I was wearing regular clothes. I don't know why he would think that, because I've been waiting here to go to the beach. We barely had any beach days.
We've had 2.
And Andre, don't count yesterday.
I'm counting yesterday. Bro,
we sat in a fucking chair and sweated. We didn't even go into the...
Not my fault.
It was, how long we were there? Like, maybe an hour?
We could have went on a boat, private boat.
Yeah, but I have low blood sugar.
Yeah,
I couldn't. Like, risk that. The fact that I'm filming and he's like naked and behind me.
First off, that's not going on YouTube, number 1. And number 2, you have a mirror behind you.
There's no, but you can't see you.
Alright.
He said I look pretty today. Maybe it's because I have that slick back hair.
Maybe. I don't know.
You would act like an asshole in front of the camera, but you were being sweet before.
Yeah.
Douchebag.
I can't even wear this because of all your makeup on it. Thanks.
No problem. I told you to do the laundry. We bought laundry detergent.
And we didn't do laundry.
Yeah, you were supposed to do it.
Yeah.
Because he said he would do it, and then he also claimed that this one stain on my skirt would come off.
It would.
Still have not seen it come off.
It would come off. Alright, ready? What should I wear on top?
Just a regular shirt.
Oh, I like that shirt.
That's a going out shirt.
Yeah, going out to the beach.
Sure. Alright, we're gonna go eat now.
I'm gonna go eat, get to the beach at like 7 p.m. because you have to do all this stuff.
Who, me?
I'm just joking, babe.
Oh.
Alright, yeah.
Okay, this is not as comfortable as it used to be. When we used to... Greece right now. We're leaving this nice cute little apartment for good for like a 7-hour drive, Andre.
With stops, so 8. Hopefully we don't have to stop.
We're not going to get ready for this long ride. I'm not even hungry, that's how early it is. I get hungry at like 8 o'clock. Let's say bye to our view one last time. We're coming back. I just don't know if we're coming back. Did you hear my accent come out?
Yeah.
Coming back to this Airbnb after discussing cigarettes. I never showed you guys the full outside. Our car was in a boat. I've never experienced this in my life. We did Macedonia, Greece, and then we're doing Macedonia the third time.
It's alright though.
It's like a week, and it's like, the vacation ends like this. And then
The vacation just started. Think positive.
No, I'm just saying we're fucking exhausted. He had 2 Red Bulls in him, but so this is like a part of the ferry, the boat, and then they basically took our car with us in the boat so that we can have our car in Greece because we only can get here by ferry. We're finally on the islands that we're vacationing on.
Zante.
It's called Zante?
Zante.
Or is it Zakynthos?
It's Zakynthos. And Zante is the nickname. Or maybe the real name. Who the fuck knows?
Coffee, please.
Yeah.
I don't want
I do without that. I don't think they have the...
I guess iced chocolate is a thing here. Guys, I got iced chocolate yesterday. It's a literal chocolate drink that's frozen and it's so good.
What is shit?
I'm on my makeup artist website because I did a review. Like, she was like, "You're my loyal client, do a review for me, please." And I was like, of course. Mine is so good.
Let me see.
You want to see it? I have to go to her website.
Yeah, I want to see it. Let's see how good it was.
Today, what's our plan? Let's tell them.
I'm going to the beach after.
Yeah, we slept in today. We've had a crazy ass vacation.
Let me see it.
He doesn't believe me? I don't know why.
Okay, Stasia, you have never spoke like this in your life.
Yeah, I know. This is my school coming out. When I used to write essays, you would never be able to tell that.
Unwavering passion for her craft. First off,
I might have like looked up some
when you go
big vocab words.
when you go on thesaurus.com.
Yeah. But it's okay because that's how I used to write my essays, and then that's why the teachers would be like, I can't give her a bad grade even if she doesn't know what she's talking about. She sounds great.
Firsthand, her unyielding dedication.
Thesaurus.com.
This is good. Trust me, giving her the freedom to work her magic.
Thank you.
Thanks. My shit looks cool.
You have to remember she's a celebrity makeup artist and she works with big ass brands. What if a brand is reading this, like the head of CEO or something, to decide whether or not they're gonna book? Basically, what I said in my thing was when you go to her, you give her an inspiration pic,
yeah,
but you let her do her craft, because there's been some like makeup artists that like they don't like let me explore what I really would like on my face. She knows how to do your makeup by just your face shape. And
Thank
also
you.
she has a vision after it. So like there's been times where my 22nd birthday, where remember I came all like blue and orange on my face?
Yeah.
That was, she matched my dress's makeup. Never in a million years would I have ever had said yes to that makeup look unless I tried it. And I tried it and I actually liked it. I liked being on theme on my birthday. And I never would have done that makeup look by myself or asked for that shit by myself. I literally said, do your work and let your vision talk. He started talking to the camera, I already shut it off. So this is a really great drink, and then I tried his and it's not good. It just tastes like hot coffee that is ice in it, which they do that in Europe. I don't like it. But
She was flaming my fucking drink. She's having some fucking, I don't even know what she's having. A mochaccino?
My intuition has been crazy good. I think I've only eaten like one bad meal so far. Or drink. Explain to them how it was easy then.
I just DM'd her. And then, you know, she's gonna be my BM after. You guys that are struggling out there, it's okay. Everything happens for a reason. It's more fish to fry, you know?
You should start your own channel.
My girlfriend over here, she showed me a picture of someone that looks like Finding Dory, and honestly,
I think she's
there's
pretty
more,
in her own way.
yeah, there's more fish out there, just like her, you know, literally a fish. And you guys can literally figure it out on your own. But you do have to do a little research on yourself. I don't know how it is out there with the dating game. It's more advanced.
You're giving advice when you haven't been single in 5 years.
Doesn't matter. It still helps to be confident. But don't be a confident person that is, you know,
A little too much?
a little
like
pushy. No, pushy.
Pushy's so annoying. That was so annoying. Like, catch a fucking hint or ease into it.
Like, no, not even like that. Like, if someone is gonna be interested in you, you will know.
Right away, yeah. There's no working for it. Like, I'm telling you right now.
Double
that's-
texting, triple texting, that's not it,
No,
guys.
no, in person. I recently went out, actually, and there was this guy. He was just annoying as fuck. Just stop being like that. When someone's not interested, they're not interested.
It's a simple game. Be sure you're not the one getting played.
Okay, we're gonna leave this.
Stasia,
Guys, I was not expecting this.
she got bacon pancakes and she thinks she's funny.
I was not expecting this.
Look, I got something that she would usually get, and it's gonna be good. I'm just waiting for my
It's
ketchup.
very simple, but I looked at this and it looks so interesting. Alright, we're on our way to the beach now. As you can see, we're still pasty, so today is one of the days that is going to be the start of our tans. We're going somewhere called Geregas Beach. And I'm excited. Today is like strictly just to relax. What the hell is happening? There we go. No, not that. It was like all white. But yeah, we're 7 minutes away currently, and we'll see you at the beach. yeah, anyways, I'm so sorry that I haven't been recording the night stuff. It's just been fucking chaotic, to be honest with you. But it's very slow in the mornings and the afternoons, like the type of day we have. You just call it banana playa. And it's so much more aesthetically pleasing than the other one. Why is it when I barely try that I get a flawless, cute little casual, face is beat, everything's great outfit? I don't know why I put so much trust in my boyfriend when it comes to outfits, but like there's things that I wouldn't even try and I ask him if it looks good and he says it looks great and I just put it on. It's just so nice. Right now we're going to, what is it called?
Zakynthos town.
The town of Zakynthos, because we're not near there, which honestly worked out in our favor. It's insane, chaotic there. It's not somewhere you want to stay at, but it's somewhere like, it definitely is a part of the experience, which I was telling him, but it gets like a little crazy at night. I got my nails done there, which I was scared. Let me show you guys. I was scared to try it because it's like you know, a new nail salon first of all, and also a new country, but they fucking slayed. Like the details, everything was just curated with care. It was beautiful. I should have got designs, but they were a little expensive. Like I think because it's so close to like a touristy spot, they up their prices a little bit more during tourist season, I'm sure. I'm feeling cute. And let's look at Andre. He's matching. So cute. His shorts are similar to mine. He won't let me show you guys, but he doesn't like the stain, but I've stained almost every pair of my clothing. Now he knows how I feel. Alright, bye. See you there. I bought this in Macedonia. It's so cute. And very good quality. We're passing all these boats and there's like, they're not even private boats. I mean, they're not like for other people to rent. It's people from different countries docking them here for the summer. That one I love, for sure.
Yes.
Imagine just being like, you wanna go? I'm feeling close, slumped, and I need a vacation. I wanna go on our boat in Greece.
Yeah, that would be good.
Open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in H-O-U-S-C-O-N. I get too crazy, had a little bad enough. We stay good friends, we get too crazy. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, no. Dirtied up a cup, I'm on the no side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-eyed. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby. Hold tight. I just touched.
We found a shop and bar. How cute. It's called Mokosh. I think that's how I say it. How
fucking cute. But I feel weird filming. So anyways, let's go. Oh yeah, we got some Eagle Eye necklace and
City with the cheap block stainers, and we got it dotted by some flip for strangers. You know what it means when I twist these fingers. Me and you being on a first name basis. Why you think I hate it when you talk that Drake shit? Same reason that you never left me hanging. Same reason that I tried to make you famous. Same reason that I tried to show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of the club, show you just who I was. Outside of the club, outside the things that a man like me does. Outside of the things that would cause you to judge. Outside of